How to avoid spam messages on WhatsApp. When you receive a message from a number you don't have in your contacts, WhatsApp displays a notification at the top of the chat with two options, block or add. If the message is unwanted, don't add the contact, instead, tap block and, if you want, report. Another useful tool is the ability to limit who can add you to groups. Go to Settings of Privacy of Groups and choose whether to be added only by your contacts or from a custom list. This protects you from spam group invitations from unknown numbers. Finally, if a contact continues to spam you, you can permanently block them by going to Privacy, Blocked Contacts and adding them to the list. By following these tips, you can dramatically reduce the amount of spam on WhatsApp and use the app with greater peace of mind.